Hey guys, welcome back. Irfan here. Winter is here, and for people living in the Middle East, especially Dubai, it's all about going to the desert at night and lighting a bonfire. Now, it might be fun stacking logs together and getting the flame going if you know what you're doing, but if you don't want to go through the hard work, well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can make a portable mini bonfire which you can light as easily as lighting a candle. If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action. Alright, to start, you need a cookie scan. When you're done eating all the cookies and then storing threads and needles for a couple of years, grab one and empty it out. Next, you need cardboard. Quite a bit of cardboard actually. I got this from an IKEA table packaging. Next, I'm going to mark it using the cookies tin to make sure I get strips the width of which is not more than the height of the can. Then I'm going to extend the lines all the way and cut out individual strips using a cutter. Before doing that, do make sure you are cutting across the cardboard through the ridges. This way it will roll easily, which is essential for our next step. Anyways, start rolling one end of the cardboard strip until it is completely rolled. Then attach the next one and keep rolling. You can simply place the roll on the new strip and continue rolling, or even use a small piece of masking tape to attach the ends of the strips to make it easier. After rolling all 5 strips, I realized it was not enough, so I cut 3 more and then tried to stick it in the tin. This time it was a little extra, so I ended up using a total of 7.5 strips, and the cardboard roll was a nice tight fit. For the next step, you need sawdust. Now, if you're wondering where you can get this, you can either buy hamster bedding at the pet shop, it's basically sawdust, or even better, go to any carpentry shop and ask them. They'll give you a sack for free. They dispose it anyway at the end of the day. The aim here is to fill in the gaps between the layers of cardboard with sawdust. So just put in a generous amount and keep shaking the can until it is completely filled in the gaps. Even if you skip the sawdust, it's fine, but I will recommend it because it will extend the burn time of the bonfire. And now my favorite part, candles. Melt a couple of them. I melted 6 big ones and about 6 to 8 small ones, and I got them really cheap. Remove the wicks and then pour the melted wax into the can, making sure you spread out the pour so it gets into all the nooks and crannies. Once you're done, leave it aside for a good couple of hours to cool down. Alright, it's been some time and everything has cooled down. The cardboard and the sawdust has nicely absorbed all the wax, and now you have a portable bonfire. It has cardboard, wood shavings, and a slow burning fuel, candle wax. Close the lid and you're ready to go. All I have to do now is wait till tonight to light it. Alright, I'm in the desert and it's time. Simply remove the lid and light the wick in the center. I'm gonna give it an additional helping hand and try and light the surrounding cardboard as well. It doesn't take time at all to light up. Then give it a couple of minutes. Very soon the whole can is on fire and you have a nice little bonfire which is extremely resilient to wind, and you don't have to throw in a log every couple of minutes. After about an hour and 15 minutes, its glory started to reduce, cause let's be real, it's not an eternal flame burning on a guardian planet somewhere in the galaxy. But it is not useless yet. You can actually use it to light a bigger real bonfire, just like I did. It stayed in the base all along, helping the flame above it the whole time. And if you don't use it completely in the first go, you can actually put it out, put on the lid and reuse it again sometime. Just make sure you let it cool for a while after putting it out. I made a similar smaller version a couple of years ago from tuna cans, which you can use to light up bigger fires or even start charcoal for a barbecue. You can check out that video by clicking on the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen right now, or check out the link in the description box below. Originally, the project was inspired by Grant Thompson, the king of random, who passed away earlier this year. He was my favorite DIYer. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below and share the video with your friends and family. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my booth for more gadget reviews, DIYs, and life hacks. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.